Data analytics is a rapidly growing field that is changing the way businesses operate and make decisions. As more and more companies are recognizing the value of data, the demand for professionals with data analytics skills is skyrocketing.
Introduction.
As a data analyst, you will be responsible for analyzing and interpreting large sets of data to uncover valuable insights that can help a company make informed decisions. You'll use a variety of tools and techniques to collect, clean, and analyze data, and then present your findings in a clear and concise manner to stakeholders. Some of the specific skills you'll need to be a successful data analyst include proficiency in statistical analysis, programming languages like Python or R, and data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Additionally, you'll need strong problem-solving and critical thinking skills to be able to make sense of complex data sets and identify key insights. A career in data analytics can be incredibly rewarding. You'll have the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technology, help shape the direction of a company.
Tell me the difference between data analytics and data science.
Data analytics and data science are related fields, but they have some distinct differences. Data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to extract useful information and insights. It is focused on using statistical and quantitative methods to understand and summarize data. Data science, on the other hand, is a broader field that encompasses data analytics and also includes the use of advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to extract knowledge and insights from data. Data scientists often use tools and methods from statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to solve complex problems and make predictions. In summary, data analytics is a subset of data science that focuses on the analysis of data, while data science includes data analytics and also incorporates advanced techniques such as machine learning and AI.
What does a data analyst do?
A data analyst is responsible for collecting, cleaning, and analyzing large sets of data. They use statistical and quantitative methods to understand and summarize data, and then use this information to make recommendations to an organization. The specific tasks that a data analyst might perform can vary depending on the organization and the industry, but some common responsibilities include collecting data from various sources such as databases, surveys, and social media, cleaning and pre-processing the data, which may involve removing errors, filling in missing values, and transforming the data into a format that can be easily analyzed, analyzing the data using statistical and quantitative methods, such as descriptive statistics, regression analysis, and hypothesis testing, communicating the results of the analysis to stakeholders such as management and other teams through visualizations and reports, making recommendations based on the analysis such as identifying trends, forecasting future behavior, and identifying opportunities for improvement, continuously monitoring and maintaining data integrity and quality of data. In summary, a data analyst uses various tools and methodologies to collect, clean, and analyze data in order to make strategic recommendations to an organization.
What skills do you need to become a data analyst?
To become a data analyst, you will typically need a combination of technical skills, analytical skills, and domain-specific knowledge. Some of the key skills that are important for a data analyst to have include strong analytical skills. Data analysts need to be able to analyze and interpret large sets of data and identify patterns and trends. Programming. Data analysts need to be able to work with data using programming languages such as Python or R, SQL. Data visualization. Data analysts need to be able to create visual representations of data, such as charts and graphs, to help stakeholders understand the results of the analysis. Strong attention to detail. Data analysts need to be able to identify and correct errors in data and ensure that data is accurate and reliable. Communication. Data analysts need to be able to communicate their findings and recommendations to stakeholders in a clear and effective manner. Machine learning and statistical modeling. Data analysts should have knowledge of machine learning algorithms and techniques and statistical modeling. Business knowledge. Data analysts should have some understanding of the industry and the organization they are working for to have insights that can benefit the organization. In summary, to become a data analyst, you will typically need a combination of technical skills, analytical skills, and domain-specific knowledge. Strong analytical and programming skills, data visualization, attention to detail, communication, and knowledge of machine learning, statistical modeling, and business knowledge are all important skills for a data analyst.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, data analytics and data science are related fields but have distinct differences. Data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to extract useful information and insights, and is focused on using statistical and quantitative methods to understand and summarize data. Data science, on the other hand, is a broader field that encompasses data analytics and also includes the use of advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to extract knowledge and insights from data.